A great way to find success is to visualize it. Give yourself time for this important form of preparation. See yourself making important valid points with appropriate gestures and body language that emotionally connect you with the audience. Once you see yourself using what works, you feel more relaxed and confident. And don't forget to imagine pausing while your audience applauds wildly. Some beginning speakers let their nervousness win because they make a mistake of focusing entirely on themselves. When something goes wrong, for example, your reaction can cause your voice to shake. Then all you hear is a shaky voice. That becomes the focus of the thought. But remember, you're giving a talk for an important reason. Keep that reason in mind and focus on what's really important, your message. Find a passion to entertain, educate, inspire, or motivate your audience. And you find the purpose. And your voice.